Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so today I want to teach you a very nice 3, 6, 2, 5 chord progression in the key of F sharp. We're going to be in the key of F sharp. So it goes like this. How excellent is your name, oh Lord. Okay, so now there are a lot of chords we are actually playing on this. So I'll give you some of the chord voicings, right, that I'm using. So the root is 3, 6, 2, 5, and it keeps going like that. 3, 6, 2, 5. So for 3, we have a B flat. So let me just do numbers here. We have 3, 7, 9 on the left. On the right, we have a flat 5, 5, 7, 9. So then to 6. So our excellent. So now to our 6, we have a 6 and 5 on the left hand. 6 and 5, you can see the notes. On the right, we have a minor 2. We have a 4. We have a 5. We have a 1. So then to the 2 chord, you should write. So we have a 2, 2, 5, 2 on the left. Then on the right, we have a 3, 4, 6, 1. Then on the 5 chord, we have a I'm doing a tension, then a release. So the tension chord has a 5 and 1 on the left. On the right, we have a 4, 6, 1, 3. Then on the left, we have a 5 and 7. On the right, we have a 4, 6, 7. Then what's it called? Our 9. So it goes like that. How excellent is your name, oh. Then you continue again, Lord. So if you need more of these chords, I have a special advanced passing chord masterclass course that I did in the key of F sharp. So I'll put my WhatsApp contact on the comment section for you to buy your copy to learn a lot of the other stuff I'm able to show you. You'll be able to see the MIDI keys, see the virtual keys, and everything you need to learn in the course. It's also on my seller store, so you can check the about page of the channel or just inbox me to get your copy. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.